Hey everyone, we're here tonight with a 2004 Chevy Cavalier and we are replacing the fuel filler neck. We've had this car smoke tested as it's had an engine light on for a small and then a large EVAP leak, and the smoke test revealed that there is some rotting happening at the top of the neck where it meets the fuel cap. So we're going to start by going under the car, and we do have the car on ramps. And we're going to take off the bolt. It's 10 mil bolt that attaches the neck to the frame right along the center of it. Now, this has rusted away. the tang has rusted away. So if we get behind it, and you can see we're right there on the frame rail, and we're using an extractor socket on this because the bolt looks like it may have been moved once before and it's not in great condition. So we sprayed it with penetrating fluid, and we're going to use a 10 mil extractor to try and get this out. Here we go. Okay, and while we're down here, we're going to undo the hose clamp that connects the filler neck to the filler hose. That we're using an 8 mil to do that. Now that that's done, let's go back up to the fuel door. Let's take off the fuel cap, and then we're going to use a T20 Torx screwdriver bit to take these two out. There it is. These plastic pins just pull out. Now from underneath the vehicle, you should be able to pull that fuel neck down. It will still be attached to the hose, and we'll twist it out when we get there. Okay, so back under the car, we're going to give it a bit of a wiggle. There it goes. Watch for falling rust. Oh no, here we go. Okay, now the last step is to get it off of that while twisting the neck and pulling back. Try to move it back and forth, or if you can rotate it fully, it's even better. Here he comes. Yeah. Some good sound effects.
Punch myself.
Redneck repair. Here's your old and the new. They look like a pretty good match to me. So let's go get this put in. Okay, so let's start by putting the neck up by the fuel door. Do not connect the hose yet because we now have wiggle with the hose and can get that in later on. Okay. All right, and as Mr. Logan holds this up, I'm gonna put these pins in.
Yep.
There's one.
Oh.
There's the second one. You can just push them in. No need to turn them. Okay, so working under here, take the hose, and get that on top of the new neck.
Oh, there you go.
And bring your clamp through and tie it up at roughly the same spot where you see the marks in the hose. Okay, and let's just tighten up that 8mm. All right, we're done here. And that's how you change the fuel filler neck on a 99 to 2005 Chevy Cavalier or Pontiac Sunfire. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. No.